In order to heal full spectrum, you have to heal full spectrum. And so one of the things that I have learned and realized in my entire evolution is that if we want to heal, if we want to thrive, if we want to understand who we are and how we're connected to everything that exists, if we want to understand where we're going, if we want to understand how to live, if we want to understand the laws of the universe, we have to anchor ourselves in nature. That's the only way. Why? Because humans can think so high, but if they don't have nature to anchor them, they're going to have this lollipop-like effect. Their head's going to expand, but their body is going to be stagnant. And you see this also in specific industries where people focus so much on the body, so much on the physical, but they're not spiritually evolved.